Malupalaka to all you viewers and followers. This is William K.K.U, otherwise known as K.K.U. If this is your first time seeing this video, please subscribe onto my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about the hit song Waimanu for the Andi Kumbau school. We're going to be going into how the song started out, how it came to be, who was behind it, where the inspiration came from. So we will be talking to two other people, and we will be discussing basically how it all started out.
Hello everyone, my name is Andi Kanuto. I attended Andi Kumbau School. I started as a Form 3 student probably from 2010